I'm honestly the worst vlogger. I didn't vlog at all today and it's about 2 p.m. now. I totally just forgot, and I was trying to vlog in public just now, but it was just way too awkward. I got my lashes done, as you can see. My face is so bloated, like I feel really insecure, but I'm still gonna vlog for you. I need to leave in like 15 minutes to get my hair done. Don't know how much I'll be vlogging today. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you what's in my suitcase, but for now, like, all I can say is I got my lashes done. About to go leave to get my hair done. I'm like out of breath. And then maybe I'll vlog later tonight after I get my hair done. I probably will. I might feel a little bit better because I feel like my hair looks like crap and my face just looks really bloated and my skin sucks and I'm just a mess right now. I need to hurry up now, get my bags to get all my stuff so I can leave and get my hair done. I'm excited to get some braids. Probably gonna take for fucking ever because braids take a while and I have a lot of hair, so. Okay, so I just got my hair done and my head hurts really bad. I'm with my mom, but I'm not gonna show her. She doesn't want me to film her. My head hurts so much. It hurts so much. Now we're gonna go to McDonald's because I want to eat some fries. Yeah. Oh, my skin looks horrible. Still haven't had my period yet. It's 5 days late. Never happens, but apparently it's just not meant to be today or this week. So, yeah. That's all. I'm gonna show my mom. And now we're gonna go to McDonald's. Oh, wacht. Oh nee, waarom zit KFC daar? Oh, daar is McDonald's. Waar is KFC dan?
Zit er ook.
Hoe kon het daar?
Oh, oké, nou ja. Dat zijn wij.
I didn't even know that.
Een kleur hoor. Niet mee, heel. Ja, goedenavond. Mag ik een grote patat met ketchup?
1 of 2 ketchup?
Eentje.
Kan er nog iets?
Nee hoor.
Er wordt 3,70 eerst raam alsjeblieft.
Dank je.
Dank je.
Nee hoor.
Nee hoor.
Een grote patat met ketchup.
Look at the sky, it's beautiful. Oh, look at the sun right there.
Kijk de zon.
Ja, dat zag ik net.
Oh. En die boom dan?
Oh, that's so pretty. Wait. Hoe heet dat ook weer?
Bloesem of zo?
Cherry blossom.
Nou, eigenlijk is het een krentenboom, hè?
Ja. Ignore the fact that my face is so red. I thought I had a fever, but I went to like measure my temperature. I think that's what it's called, and I don't. So yeah, like I'm really cold, but like my face is extremely hot. I'm just chilling here downstairs by myself right now. My mom already went to sleep, and I'm gonna go edit whatever I vlogged these past 2 days. Tomorrow I will see you again, and then oh my god, I'm leaving on Monday, y'all. In this vlog you're not gonna see me in LA yet, but you're gonna see me like preparing kind of. I could have vlogged more, but I kind of forgot, and I'm also really bad at vlogging, so let's hope that gets better. I really need to pee, but yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and like I don't know when I'm going to sleep. I like went to check because Coachella's going on right now. I went to check when Black Bear is performing, and it's gonna be like 5:50 a.m. my time, and I low-key want to stay up and watch. I don't know. Oh, I gotta pee so bad, yo. Oh, I'm exhausted. So yeah, I keep doing this. I don't know why. I'm so sorry. I woke up and I put on some clothes, washed my face. My skin is still really bad. I feel really insecure about it. So I'm gonna put on some makeup. Last night I could not like lay down comfortably with my braids, so I used my neck pillow and it did work kinda. It wasn't the most comfortable sleep, but it was okay. I got to sleep, and then I woke up at 7. I thought the Black Bear, the like Coachella thing started at like 5:50, but it was actually like 6:50 6:50 or 6:55 or something. So I watched him for like 30 minutes and it was really good, and he like dropped a new song and it's so good. And then I went back to sleep, and now I'm gonna put on some makeup. I wasn't planning on putting on any makeup, which is why I already had all my makeup packed up, but I just feel really insecure and like my skin sucks and I feel like crap. So I just want to put some makeup on to feel a little bit better. My camera always blurs my skin, and like I could use it to vlog, but I was like, oh, whatever, like it's just easier with my phone, even though it makes me feel insecure because you can really see how bad my skin is. I got a new Real Techniques beauty sponge and I feel like they've changed it. It's not as soft as it used to be. I feel like it's a bit more firm now. I don't necessarily hate it, but I loved how it was just like so soft and squishy, and it still is, but it's like different. Like it was almost like kind of flimsy, and I like that, but for some reason it's like weird now. So it already makes me feel a lot better. I lost my little like wooden thingy that I do my beauty spots with, so now I use a bobby pin, and I took off the little ball on one end, and I'm going to see if that works. It's not going to create a perfect dot. It works, yo. I don't have a whole lot to pack anymore, but I wanted to kind of show you what's in my suitcase. My suitcase is right here. I don't have pants on. So yeah, this is my clothing section of my suitcase. There's a couple things I still need to pack, but basically, okay, I don't know if I want to take everything out of here, but I have about 15 outfits packed, and then I have this extra dress because I was like, I might go to like a concert or party. I don't really know, maybe not, who knows, but I was like, let me pack an extra dress because I have like a lot of space left. When I weighed it before, I think it was 13 kilograms. I'm sure it's more now, but I'm allowed to have 23, and I don't think I'm gonna get to that point, which is nice because then I have like enough space to like take stuff with me back home. I have some workout clothes, not because I'm gonna work out, but we are planning on going on a hike. So I have some like workout leggings, workout shorts, and then a sports bra. Over here I have all my underwear. That's pretty much all that's on this side. I don't really know what I'm gonna add here. So I'm gonna zip this up. Oh, my legs are so ashy. Okay. Let me put some pants on because this is really awkward. Okay, I just put on some sweatpants. The grays don't match, but that's fine. I have 2 pairs of shoes here. Depending on how much my suitcase weighs, I might add another pair of shoes. Maybe like my Vans or something. I'm gonna be wearing my Stan Smiths, which I have over there. I don't feel like grabbing them. I'm gonna wear those to the airport so I don't have to pack them. I have my Fila Disruptors in pink, and then I have my black high top Converse. Then I have some like pajama shorts. I have this Victoria's Secret body spray. And then I also have my Ari perfume. I have my socks. I have this little pouch, which is actually for sunglasses. And my jewelry is definitely tangled, but I just threw it in here. I'll deal with it when I get to LA. I have some pajama shirts, like quite a lot. Just sleeve shirts. I don't have like proper pajamas really. I have 2 belts over here. I have a cheetah print one, or leopard print. And I have my black gold kind of Gucci looking belt. I have this little pouch which has hair gel. I have 2 types. I have like my olive oil hair gel, and then I have my Got To Be glue, but the clear one, just in case I really need my hair to just stay down, like my baby hairs. I don't really know. I have a toothbrush for my hair. I have some eyebrow razors and tweezers, and then I have a mini mouthwash. I have my makeup wipes. I have some cotton rounds, just bought like a whole bag because it looks so cheap. I have tampons because you guys know, sitting on my period, I probably have to pack. I have another pack of tampons, which I think I'm gonna also pack just in case. I have this, which is for like dirty clothes and stuff, like underwear. And in here I have some shaving gel and some like feminine products, shower gel, my razor heads, like I have new heads in here. I also have my makeup towel. Whenever I do my makeup, I always have like a towel that I like wipe my stuff on. And then here I have all my skincare. I have some micellar water, my moisturizer, my cleanser, rose water that I use to like take off excess makeup. I have contact solution, a tongue scraper, a toothbrush. I have my little lash brush. I have some new contacts. I have vitamin E oil. This is my eye cream. I have some ear Q-tips. And I got these little bags from Primark. It also came with a really big one, which is in my carry-on with my makeup. I have a loofah. I think that's pretty much all. I don't really feel like taking everything out and showing you every piece because it's already getting really long. I have no clue how long this vlog is going to be. And then we're going to go to my carry-on. I didn't know how this thing worked completely, but now I get it. You have to, this orange thing you have to put to the top, and then when you pick up your suitcase, it goes to where, how much it weighs, and you don't have to, look at it. So this thing weighs about 16 kilograms. That's not bad. That's about 35 pounds. So I'm, way below. That's really good. Can you see that? I'm so proud of myself. So the first thing that's on here is my neck pillow. This is from Primark. It was probably $6 or $7. This one is so cute, you guys. It's gold. It's from the brand Enrico Benetti. Super pretty. I love it. Let me put the number. Is that it? Yeah. The first thing I have in here, this one weighs around 6 kilograms, I think, and I'm allowed to have 8. So I don't have anything else to put in here, so I'm just gonna leave it at 6. I have a zip-up hoodie. Okay, so this is still open because my beauty blender is actually still kind of damp, and I don't want it to get moldy. But this little thing holds my 2 beauty blenders. This bag holds all my brushes. Didn't want to put it in the makeup bag, just keeps it all clean in here. In here I have my liquids. I have my foundations, primers, and concealers. And then I have a hand sanitizer. I have a hand cream. I have a mini toothpaste, and then my deodorant. Yeah, I don't know. That's in here. And then this holds all my makeup. But honestly, I don't feel like going through every single thing, but this bag was from Primark too. And on this side, I have my mini backpack, and in there, just to like stuff it and make sure it doesn't like get a weird shape, I put my Black Bear like merch t-shirt as like an extra t-shirt. I put in a pair of underwear, and I put in 2 bananas and a bean. Oh no, the beanie is right here. I'm bringing a beanie just in case. I have some slides from Primark that are really ratchet and are coming apart. I have some extra tampons. And here my camera charger. And then the last thing I'm going to show is my bag. This one isn't fully done yet. This is my handbag. I still have to put my laptop in there. Laptop charger, headphones, like phone charger. But besides that, everything else is in there. My brother's girlfriend bought me this journal, like travel journal. It's called I Was Here, a travel journal for the curious minded. Okay, so my shoe size is a US size 5.5 or 6. That's interesting. Oh, it shows the plugs as well. Okay, so it's just like a journal. It has some really cool stuff in there. So when I'm on the plane, I'm just going to go through this and kind of fill something out. And while I'm there, I'll go through it some more. And I also have this book. I only just started reading it, and I haven't read it for like 2 days or 3 days because I just haven't been in the mood, but I want to read this on the plane. It's the You Are a Badass book. I have my wallet, which holds my passport and like my card holder with like my credit cards, my bank card, my ID, my insurance card. I think that's all. I have my sunglasses. I have an empty like Camelback bottle. I have this pouch which holds like tampons, pads, or like panty liners and some tissues. Then I have this little pouch. Has a portable charger with like the charger for the portable charger. It holds some like adapters for my phone charger. And I have 2 of these adapters which I put my plug in. I don't know. I have like my flights and everything printed out, my Airbnb information, my ESTA like what's it called, visa thingy, and that's all. That's my handbag. This is the Longchamp like Voyage, by the way. I've had it for a couple of years. I'm gonna stop vlogging now for today. I'm not gonna vlog anymore because I just have quite a lot of stuff to do. I have to dye my mom's hair. I need to answer some emails. I want to do my toes. It's my last day with my mommy before I leave. So that's it for this vlog. The next vlog you'll see will either be on Wednesday or Friday, depending on how much I've filmed. And then I'll be in LA and I'll film like the whole traveling process. This was just me preparing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And subscribe. Turn on my post notifications. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!